Hi, we're the HBP Group and we help businesses improve their IT and their software solutions. Now, if you're an existing Exchequer user, an Advanced Exchequer software user, or you're looking to purchase Exchequer for the first time, then one of the options available to you is to host that software in the cloud in something like a data center. So this is an alternative to obviously buying your own server and installing the software on that server in your own server room. And there's a number of reasons why you would actually choose a hosted version, a data center, to host that software. The first one is the cost of it, and particularly when you're looking at kind of the total cost of it over a long period of time. Now, if you're at the position now where you have to replace your server, it's coming towards the end of its life and it's running slowly, there's obviously a cost in buying that equipment, but also installing it and supporting it. Now, when you move to a hosted version in a data center, there's obviously no physical equipment to buy, there's no maintenance of the physical kit itself, but also the costs such as electricity and cooling that you may well have for your data center disappear as well. And they all move into a subscription-based model, basically, where you're paying for that as part of your data center hosting plan. Now, as well as the cost saving, there are other benefits. So because it's hosted, it means that you can connect to that from anywhere. So whether you're in the office, whether you're at home, or anywhere with an internet connection, your experience is going to be exactly the same. And when it comes to user experience, that also means that anything you've added to your system, so any bespoke, any additional add-ons, will work no problem whatsoever when it's hosted in the cloud. So if you'd like to find out how we can help with that, obviously we're an IT partner. We can help from an equipment point of view and hosting that software in the cloud, but we're also an advanced partner as well. We've been an Exchequer partner for a huge number of years, so we can help with the installation and the support of that software if you're looking to implement a new system. So if you're interested, have a look at our free review, sign up for our free review. We will then analyse your existing setup, what you're looking to achieve, and we'll make recommendations on how to do that most effectively. So all you need to do is fill out that form and we'll be in touch to get the ball rolling.